With the Ma Estuaire Tri-Blade Spiral Slicer, you can transform zucchini and other vegetables into yummy, nutritious veggie pasta. The vegetable pasta maker allows you to turn veggies into spaghetti, fettuccine, or julienne ribbons with the utmost of ease, so you can replace the noodles in a wide variety of dishes. With the built-in 3 blades eliminating the hassle of changing blades and also preventing less injury. Made of high-quality ABS and food-safe BPA-free materials, the Ma Estuaire Tri-Blade Spiral Slicer is of unparalleled quality. There are 3 ways the spiral slicer can cut. Using a firm and long-type vegetable like carrots or zucchini, insert the vegetable into the drum and twist against the blade. The julienne ribbons cut can do a flat, twisted, and ribbon-like cut for noodle dishes. The 1/8 inch cut can turn vegetables into beautiful strings of veggie spaghetti-like dishes. The 1/4 inch cut can make veggie fettuccine-like dishes. Start creating healthy veggie pasta dishes for your family to enjoy. Ma Estuaire Tri-Blade Spiral Slicer is safe, versatile, and reliable for home-cooked meals.
OXO Tot helps parents clean up quickly and effectively. Soft and firm bristles on our bottle brush are great for gentle cleaning or serious scrubbing. A long neck provides easy reach into bottles. A non-slip handle gives you a firm grip. A handy detail cleaner gets into those really tight spots. An optional stand keeps countertops dry.